Okay, Karen says, I just thought it was dry powder.
My shoes are like Austin Powers.
Yeah.
Russia, because there's so many rich people in Russia, they wouldn't. If you ever go to an airport and you see somebody wearing Bosco Sport, they're Russian.
To register for this show, you need to fill in your details. Then you need to smile for the camera, click print, and then wait for a few moments. And here's our badge ready. I am in the judges' room now, and we decided to start our day by signing the diplomas. So let's sign it. Stilettos. Actually, there are more participants in stiletto category, even more than in gel polish. Can you believe it? This is so cool. And I also like about these diplomas is that you can actually see the trophy. This is how the trophy for the stiletto competition looks like, the one that the winners will get. Okay, now let's go and see the show. So this is how I exit our judges room. I really like this part. I feel like I'm on a backstage of some theater or movie. This is really cool. And this is the beginning of the trade show. This is the competition area. As you can see, they're all equipped with air ventilation system, which is really cool. I've never seen that on the other competitions.
С нами Max Estrada, и сейчас он покажет свой новый гель.
Привет.
So this is the rhinestone gel?
Yes, it's called gummy gel, and you use gummy gel and you use shiny gel. And you apply these two gels together, and after you apply both of these gels together, you apply your rhinestone and then you cure. And after you cure for 90 seconds, you don't clean or anything, it's ready to go. It's very easy and very fast.
Is it tech-free?
Yes.
Ooh.
So it's a very easy application, very fast, very beautiful, and you can do all 10 fingers without the gel moving at all.
Okay, ready to see it.
Yeah, super. Let's see, what finger should we do? The
Up
ring
to you.
finger?
Okay.
So if you're doing this on a gel manicure or acrylic or hard gel, after you remove the shine, after you apply your color, you don't have to cleanse the nail, just go into the straight application.
And will it work on gel polish?
Yes. So after you apply your gel polish, before you apply your top coat, you apply gummy gel.
Awesome. And will it soak off or?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I really like the packaging. It's so,
Oh, thank you.
so like
It's very,
so cute.
yes, exactly.
It's cute. Something you want to put on your table.
So you apply your gel wherever you want. And if it's very, very small rhinestones, you just need a thin coat. If they're very big, like point back, yeah, you apply more gel.
Yeah, I like the consistency, so they will not run all over.
Yeah, look, the gel does not. It will never run. A lot of gels, even they're thicker, they still have movement. This has no flexibility, so it's very, very convenient. So just apply wherever you want the rhinestone, just like that. And then this is our no wipe top gel. And you apply it on top of the whole nail.
That's smart.
So if this technique takes off in Russia, I invented it.
Really?
I developed it, yes. And we debuted this technique in Long Beach this year.
Oh my god! And that's pink wax.
Yes, it's called Blink Tool.
Oh my god!
And this is specially designed for nail art. And then when you want to switch it out, you just take it off and put another one in.
Oh.
So this is replaceable. And the great thing about this wax is it doesn't leave a mark on the rhinestone. So when the rhinestone touches,
No white recipe. Oh my god! And pink drill bit. Yeah, I have this one from you.
yes, that's the #1 drill bits.
Are those your rhinestones?
Yes, they look just like a Austrian crystal, but they're a fraction of the price. And they're very shiny.
Yeah.
So I like a lot of rhinestones. I don't like simple things. And then I'm going to use my small brush to pick up the little pixie diamonds. So
I suppose it is a real diamond.
I wish. Well, it could be.
It looks like it.
Maybe in Russia, because there's so many rich people in Russia, they would. Girls that go shopping at GUM a lot. It's so expensive. Chiburaska, and I really like Bosco Sport too.
Uh-huh. Oh, the clothing?
Yeah, for the Olympic. My friend, my teacher, she said if you ever go to an airport and you see somebody wearing Bosco Sport, they're Russian. Because Russian people always travel in Bosco Sport. Top gel. It runs to the side and it makes the nail fat. So this will keep it skinny. And then cure, 99 seconds.
Competition is finished, so the area is empty. Let's see what's Max doing. He's doing the demo for his new product, Happy Gel. It works with monomer, and now he's doing the ballerina shape. I really like this moment when he applies it on the nail like a toothpaste. This looks so cool. What I also liked about this product is the smell. It actually smells like a candy, and this is how most of his products smell, like cuticle oil, Happy Gel. It's really cool. I also tried to work with it, and it's really comfortable to work with a brush that looks more like acrylic brush. So now it's cured. Now Max is pinching the nail with the handle of the brush, and then he will continue curing and then file it. First, Max files the length and the free edge, then the sidewall with the half moon file. I also like the shape of these files. This is a half moon, which I think is one of the most comfortable shapes of the files in the world because it has a straight side as well as the curved side. And I also like this trick. Check this out. We turn the nail around and file both side walls at one time. So this is how you can control that they will be completely parallel and straight and look exactly the same from one nail to the other. Then we continue filing the side walls. And also what I like about Max technique, I always admired this when I was watching his videos on YouTube, on Facebook, is his pink drill bits. First of all, it is pink. It looks so cool. These are ceramic drill bits and they feel so soft, but still they file really good. And it took him like a couple minutes to file the whole nail. And I bought, not exactly this one, but another drill bit for the cuticle on the previous trade show. And I can admit this is a really good quality drill bit. I'm actually thinking of buying this nail drill maybe on the Long Beach in January because it's really small and it's really comfortable to work with it on the show. After filing, we do a little bit of final touch with the regular nail file, and then we're doing a French style. We decided to use the black color, and for ballerina shape, for any kind of these shapes, it is recommended to do the V shape of the smile line. I also like the quality of this black gel as he applied only one layer, and as you can see it's more than enough to do a beautiful French style look because it covers the cover pink gel completely and you cannot see through, and the black color is pretty intense. So now we're working on the corners, making sure they're all even and symmetrical and located on the same spot. Now he's applying his gummy gel. You already seen this tutorial at the beginning of this vlog, and now he's applying rhinestones and crystals near the cuticle area with his magical pink wax nail art tool. And this is the result that we have. And check this out, even nail wipes are pink.
Anastasia Luksha för Ryssland.
Okay, Karen says, I just thought it was dry powder.
My shoes are like Austin Powers.
Yeah.
Russia, because there's so many rich people in Russia, they wouldn't. If you ever go to an airport and you see somebody wearing Bosco Sport, they're Russian.
So let's sign it. Stilettos. Actually, there are more participants in stiletto category, even more than in gel polish. Can you believe it? This is so cool. And I also like about these diplomas is that you can actually... To register for this show, you need to fill in your details. Then you need to smile for the camera. Click print and then wait for a few moments. And here's our badge ready. I am in the judges room now, and we decided to start our day by signing the diplomas.